Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add DNS records in Namecheap. So whether you're setting up a website, configuring email services, or pointing your domain to a new server, managing DNS records is a crucial step. So let's go over how to get that done. Start by visiting www.namecheap.com and logging into your account using your credentials. So once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar where you have all of these options. Then go ahead and click on domain list. Click on domain list to view all your registered domains. I don't have a domain registered, so there's literally nothing to show. But if you do, you will find all your registered domains here. Now from your list of domains, locate the domain you wish to manage. Have you found that? Now click the manage button next to that domain to access its settings. In the domain management page you're in, click on the Advanced DNS tab at the top of the page to access DNS settings. Click on the Advanced DNS tab at the top of the page to access DNS settings. If you do not see the Advanced DNS tab, ensure your domain is using Namecheap's Basic DNS, Premium DNS, or Free DNS. If it's pointed to third-party name servers, DNS records must be managed through that provider. Now within the host record section, click on the add new record button. Have you found that? Now from the type drop down, select the type of DNS record you wish to add. Examples CNAME, CNAME, AMX, or TXT. Now fill in the required fields. You have the host field where you have to enter @ to represent your root domain or specify a subdomain, and you have value where you have to input the corresponding IP address, domain, or text value depending on the record type, and you have TTL, that's time to leave, which means you can leave this as automatic or set as custom value. All right, so I'm going to walk you through a brief overview of common DNS records type to help you. The A record points to a domain or subdomain to an IPv4 address. The AAA record points to a domain or subdomain to an IPv6 address. The CNAME record points a subdomain to another domain name. The MX record specifies mail service responsible for receiving email on behalf of your domain. And the TXT record holds text information often used for verification purposes, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. So when adding TXT records for email verification or SPF or DKIM or DMARC configurations, ensure you put the correct host and value as provided by your email service provider. Now, after saving your DNS records, please note that changes may take up to 30 minutes to propagate globally, and during this time, services dependent on these records may not function as expected. And that's it. You have successfully added DNS records to your domain in Namecheap. Managing DNS settings is essential for directing traffic, setting up email services, and ensuring your domain functions correctly. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.